Have you ever wondered how modern military technology continues to redefine the battlefield? Meet the Patria NEMO, a revolutionary 120mm remote-controlled mortar system that combines cutting-edge military technologies with unmatched versatility. This compact marvel offers both indirect fire support and direct fire for self-defense, making it a crucial asset in modern warfare. Its advanced multiple rounds simultaneous impact (MRSI) capability allows up to 6 grenades to strike a target at once, ensuring maximum efficiency. Designed for adaptability, the NEMO system can be installed on light armored vehicles, 6x6 and 8x8 platforms, or even naval vessels. Its armored turret protects the crew, making it a game-changer in mobility, firepower, and protection across land and sea. What if the future of transportation could seamlessly blend efficiency with versatility? Enter the Thunder B-VTOL, a groundbreaking innovation in military technology and aerial mobility. Designed by cutting-edge aerospace engineers, this vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) aircraft combines the precision of rotorcraft technology with the speed and efficiency of fixed-wing flight. Its advanced design enables it to hover, transition effortlessly to forward flight, and navigate complex urban landscapes or remote areas. The Thunder B-VTOL is a game-changer, serving critical roles like emergency response, goods delivery to hard-to-reach locations, and efficient commuter transport. With its unmatched capabilities, the Thunder B-VTOL is set to revolutionize how we approach mobility in both civilian and military applications. Precision meets practicality with the EOTECH OGL, on-gun laser, a cutting-edge advancement in military technology. This compact laser aiming device, housed in a rugged machined aluminum casing, is about the size of a deck of cards, making it lightweight and versatile. Designed for professionals, it runs on a single CR123 battery, delivering up to 9 hours of continuous operation. The OGL features a visible green laser for precise daytime targeting and an infrared laser for seamless use with night vision equipment. Its IR illuminator adjusts between a focused beam and a wide flood, adapting effortlessly to various scenarios. With ergonomic controls and a durable build, the EOTECH OGL is the ideal tool for high-stakes operations where accuracy is paramount. In the world of advanced military technologies, the Austria Skyguard air defense system stands as a beacon of modern innovation. Developed by Rheinmetall, this cutting-edge system is part of Austria's ambitious modernization program to enhance its air defense capabilities. The Skyguard Next Generation integrates the Austrian Army's existing 35mm Oerlikon twin guns with state-of-the-art upgrades, including high-performance target tracking and the Rheinmetall Skymaster command system. This comprehensive package comprises 7 tactical units, each equipped with 435mm guns, a sophisticated sensor unit for airspace monitoring, and a command post. This modernization ensures robust defense against evolving aerial threats, marking a significant leap forward in military technology. In the realm of groundbreaking military technologies, the Scorpion redefines modern battlefield capabilities with unmatched precision and speed. As the fastest and most advanced mobile mortar system in the world, Scorpion is engineered for rapid deployment and exceptional mobility, enabling forces to adapt swiftly to dynamic tactical scenarios. Its cutting-edge, automated firing, and advanced targeting systems ensure pinpoint accuracy while dramatically reducing response times in critical situations. Designed with a lightweight yet durable frame, Scorpion excels in diverse terrains, from dense urban landscapes to remote hostile environments. By delivering high-volume firepower with precision, It elevates battlefield effectiveness, offering a significant advantage in both offensive and defensive operations. Share your thoughts on this innovative system in the comments. Black Hornet 4, created by FLIR Systems, revolutionizes military technology with its advanced nano-unmanned aerial capabilities. This ultra-lightweight UAV, weighing just 70 grams, boasts a flight time of over 30 minutes and can operate in winds up to 25 knots. Equipped with a high-resolution thermal imager and electro-optical camera, it excels in low-light environments, providing unmatched situational awareness. With a range exceeding 2 kilometers and the ability to perform in GPS-denied conditions, the Black Hornet 4 offers real-time target identification and weapon effect assessment. Its enhanced obstacle avoidance and durable battery make it indispensable for covert operations, reconnaissance, ISR missions, and force protection, setting a new standard in modern military technologies. What makes a military vessel truly exceptional in maritime operations? The AKSUM Marine Armored Chaser 980 is a cutting-edge innovation in military technology, designed to excel in challenging naval missions. With a high-performance HDPE hull and premium stainless steel components, this armored boat is built to endure the toughest conditions while safeguarding its crew. Capable of reaching speeds up to 50 knots and covering 250 nautical miles, the Chaser 980 delivers both speed and endurance. This formidable vessel is a vital asset for modern naval forces and law enforcement agencies, seeking unmatched reliability and versatility. Imagine a weapon so compact and precise it can change the dynamics of urban combat. The Rafael Spike Firefly is a revolutionary miniature loitering munition, weighing only 3 kilograms, designed to empower light maneuvering forces like infantry, marines, and special forces. As part of the Spike family of precision-guided missiles, it provides unmatched situational awareness, eliminating the value of cover in complex environments. With advanced homing algorithms, computer vision, and a dual-seeker target tracker, the Firefly is built to ensure high precision in urban combat scenarios. It's a game-changing piece of military technology that dramatically reduces the need for prolonged firefights while increasing operational effectiveness. Ready to take your firearms training to the next level? BeaverFit range lockers are revolutionizing marksmanship practice with a highly innovative and flexible design. These portable, modular systems transform ordinary shooting ranges into dynamic training environments, incorporating obstacles and breaching components to simulate real-world scenarios. Whether you're honing basic skills or tackling advanced tactical drills, BeaverFit range lockers allow for customizable courses of fire, pushing your abilities to new heights. With this game-changing military technology, you can experience the most realistic training possible, enhancing both precision and versatility on the range. Imagine a missile that can change the course of modern warfare. Introducing the Naval Spike NLOS 6th generation. Developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems, this precision-guided EO missile is part of the renowned Spike ATGM family and delivers unmatched capabilities. It can launch and control salvos of up to 4 missiles from a single launcher, effectively neutralizing multiple targets at standoff ranges. With a remarkable range of up to 50 kilometers from helicopters and 32 kilometers from the ground, this advanced missile revolutionizes military technology, enabling rapid target acquisition and precise engagement. A true game-changer in modern combat scenarios. What do you think of this military marvel? Let us know in the comments. What if drones could not only scout the battlefield, but also strike with precision on their own? Meet the Bolt and Bolt M, developed by Endural Industries. The Bolt serves as a reconnaissance platform, using high-end sensors and AI to provide unmatched situational awareness. The Bolt M, an enhanced variant, takes it to the next level by incorporating lethal payloads, capable of autonomously tracking and defeating targets. With minimal training required for operators, these autonomous air vehicles are a game-changer in military technology. These drones represent a quantum leap in warfare, likely revolutionizing the way future conflicts are fought. What are your thoughts on these incredible innovations? Let us know your thoughts. Lastly, imagine a world where drones work together seamlessly to change the game on the battlefield. Meet Hunter 2S, an AI-powered swarming drone system developed by Alone, a subsidiary of the Emirati defense giant Edge Group, one of the top 25 defense contractors worldwide. These drones are designed to provide significant tactical advantages, working in unison to tackle complex combat scenarios with advanced artificial intelligence. With military reliance on drones soaring, the Hunter 2S promises to redefine how armies approach modern warfare, giving them the edge in operations across various tasks. What do you think about the future of AI-driven military technology? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.